don't mind the background noise. I forgot to run the dishwasher last night, so I'm running it this morning. Anyways, I just had like the best Pilates class ever. Every time I feel like I'm like kind of getting good at Pilates, the next session I'm just violently humbled. And girl, I was shaking. Pilates is my favorite workout of all time. One, because it's the hardest workout I've ever done in my life. It just like challenges you in so many different ways, like mentally and physically. And there's just muscles that I'm like working out that I've never even knew existed. I highly recommend trying Pilates class. I just found this studio last week and I was like really scared to try it for some reason. There's something about being like in a new place and trying to like adjust and like getting in the swing of things. Like I was just like scared. I don't know why. Like it's really not that deep. Try new things. Anyways, it's Friday and we have quite a few things on our agenda today. I have some content to send out to some brands for approval, and then I have a exciting package coming in the mail today. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know I am working with Value Furniture, and that is where I got my lovely couch from. And I was just so obsessed with the showroom and the overall experience and like the quality of this couch. So now I'm an affiliate of them and I'm gonna be sent a few pieces in exchange for content. And I do have a discount code if you are interested in buying some new furniture. It's Gabrielle10. I do get a commission from this, just to be like completely transparent. But I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys what is coming in the mail today. But anyways, let's start my day. I'm gonna finish my breakfast and I'm going to journal while I eat. Yeah, let's get this day started. My Uber Eats order just arrived. This is my first time trying the Jersey Mike's tub and a sub. I've been seeing it all over my For You page. I just had to try it and I got the California sub with bacon, turkey, and provolone. Then I added pickles, banana peppers, avocado, and then tomato, and then lettuce underneath. And I'm so excited to try this. It looks so good. This is my new obsession. This is so freaking good. I need to buy the ingredients to remake this because I could literally eat this for lunch every single day. So this is where I put the chair for now because I really like the reflection in the mirror for some reason. I just don't know where else I would put the chair. I don't want to take away my cube because we use it every single time we use the couch. So this is like the only place for it, or I can bring it into the bedroom is the other option. We have it in the bedroom. I know it's looking very bare right now, but I feel like with the right decor, it would really come together. So I'd want to put a lamp, maybe some wall art over here to just kind of tie the room together. It does kind of look random with like two big statement pieces right here. Okay, now I'm going to unbox this cutie lamp. I did a quick little outfit change because I'm going to go to the store to buy some groceries, and I want to dress like it's fall, but it's still like 90 degrees out. So I'm probably gonna take the leather jacket off, but I'm gonna wear these jeans, my Sambas, and my Leo shirt. I just wish it was a little bit cooler to wear this fall outfit, but that's okay. avocado eye mask. This one is from Kiehl's. It's the avocado nourishing hydration mask. As soon as we moved to Nevada, I noticed that my skin is so dry, and I feel like that's why I'm getting like so many breakouts. It's just not used to the environment. I really love this mask for when I feel like my skin just needs some extra like hydration. I'm gonna follow it with some eye cream from Osé and then the Ultra Facial eye cream from Kiehl's. That's like my power combo for hydrated skin. My skin feels so much better already.